Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to manage your content that you have been archived from past history. So if you have accidentally archived any of the story, post or a reel, now you want to manage and view that and you want to restore it, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Instagram mobile application. Tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your Instagram profile. After that, you simply have to tap on the three little lines at the top right corner and tap on the second option named as your activity. Once you will go on that, you simply have to scroll down a little bit and the third last option will be archived. So go ahead and tap on that. After that, first of all, it will show you all of the stories that you have archived. From that, if you want to restore a story, simply tap on that. You can share the story. You can add the story to highlight. If you tap on three dots, it will help you to delete, save photo, share as a post and share as a story, send to and add a partnership label. So you can do any of the thing which you want. After that, if you'll tap on the second option, it will show you the calendar related and it will show you the date on which you posted that previous story. Now the last option is application. It will show you the location on which you posted that particular story. Now if you'll tap on these little dots, it will give you the two different options, create highlight and settings. So if you want to create a highlight, you simply have to tap on that, select the highlight label and select the story which you want to add. After that, the second option is of settings. If you'll tap on that, it will give you the settings, save stories to archive, automatically save your stories to your archive so that you don't have to save it to your phone. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.